Hello, my name is Peter Atkins and today I'm reviewing the AEG 7000 series Lavatherm condenser dryer. Fitting of this item is simple: put in and plug and it's ready to go once you've removed the polystyrene from the drum. The machine itself, the overall dimensions are 85 centimeters high by 60 centimeters wide by 64 centimeters deep at the widest point. This is quite a deep unit. This is 4 centimeters deeper than the matching 7000 series washing machine, and you need to check your available space in this unit. The thing to note on this machine is that at the back of the unit, the contour for the drum, etc., is level with the back lip at the top of the machine. This goes all the way down to the floor, which means if you have the skirting board to consider, then this will be the furthest machine will go back. In our case, this and the overall depth of the 64 centimeters prove critical to our fitting, as you can see when I close the kitchen door. Obviously this was a problem for us, but something you could look at. Okay, the key features of the 7000 series Lavatherm condenser dryer T7DBE831R. It has an 8 kilogram drum. The settings are automatically adjusted for better results. It has an efficient heat pump technology using less energy, and it has a gentle program for delicate woolens. This machine has a European efficiency rating of A+. The large drum size fits up to an 8 kilogram load. Below the door is the fluff filter, which is a double mechanism. This helps reduce the amount of fluff eventually getting through to the condenser, which after a period of time you need to hoover out. So you can see the fluff there. That needs to be cleaned off between every dry, and also off these two surfaces here and here. Put them back for the time being. The condenser, by the way, is down here. In this area here, so you need to hoover that out at some stage. Just run a hoover along there. After each wash you should empty the water tank, and sometimes during the cycle, if the warning light comes on saying it's full, this is an easy thing to do. Just pull out the plug there and then pour the water out. There's a little bit in there, but not much. And then you just put it back for the next wash, which then will fill it up again. The centre dial on the machine is for the program selection. Each program sets the default value. So you can see there for cottons you've got 8 kilogram max. When you go to synthetics, 3.5 kilograms, mix 3 kilograms, wool 1 kilogram, silk 1 kilogram, easy iron 1 kilogram, bed linen 3, activewear 2, duvet 3, and sports 2. You can see the time changing with those as well. The cotton one lists 8 kilograms, but for some reason it says in the book the drying time is set for 5 kilograms. The time is then adjusted by the dryer depending on how much load you put in. And unfortunately that means it goes up from the 5 kilogram level, which isn't a problem, but when it gets down it says it's 2 minutes to go, and it carried on for about another 40 minutes. But you'll soon get used to that, I presume. The following doesn't happen with all the other programs. All the reduced kilogram loads, the time scale is correct for it. On the activewear, This program complements the 7000 series washer outdoor program when used for reproofing outdoor clothing. The dryer further improves the action of the water repellent restorer. So on the dryness levels, these can be adjusted from iron dry to cupboard dry to cupboard plus dry, don't know what that means, or extra dry. On the wool programs, this is restricted to more dry or less dry. These obviously come down to personal preferences once you have tried them. Okay, there's an anti-crease button, and that, I think, is 30 minutes after a program finishes. It keeps tumbling occasionally to keep anti-crease. You can increase this to 60 minutes or 90 minutes. I'll go back to the original 30 minutes. This is obviously added to your time required. But at any stage, you can remove the clothes out of the anti-crease stage, so that's okay. The delay start, this button here, allows you to delay the running of the machine from 30 minutes to up to 20 hours. Okay, there's another feature of on this machine of the child lock, which if you press those two buttons there together, these buttons are so sensitive to your fingers. If you press those two buttons, the child lock comes on and stops the door being opened and the display being affected by the child. The other thing is that the dryness level, the drying time, this may be a preferred option for you to dictate the time you want it to dry, and that goes from 10 minutes to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, carry on up to 2 hours. So that may be a preference for you to use. Okay, this machine is rated at 66 decibels, but for us it seems a bit louder than our previous AEG machine. So this may be more suited to a utility room than a working kitchen. And that about, I'll tell you what, we'll just run it so you can have a listen to it. So you can tell from that just the sort of noise level that it gives out, and whether that's a problem for you or not. Okay, that ends the review. Thank you.